Welcome back, nature enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Nature's Wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of animal beauty, from transparent wings to vibrant plumage. Get ready to be amazed by the most stunning creatures our planet has to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the beauty of nature. Let's get started. Number 10. Glasswing Butterfly. Our countdown begins with a true marvel of the insect world, the glass-winged butterfly, scientifically known as Greta Otto. These delicate butterflies boast wings that are almost invisible, adorned with intricate brown edges and a white stripe. What's truly astonishing is how they seem to change color as they flutter through different environments. The glass-winged butterfly's transparency and elegance earn it a spot on our list. Number 9. Siberian Husky. Moving on from the skies to the land, we encounter the breathtaking Siberian Husky Canis familiaris. With their elegant white and gray fur and piercing blue eyes, these canine beauties have a magnetic charm that's hard to resist. Not only do they display strength and protection, but they also represent the grace of nature's creations. Number 8. Chameleon. Chameleons are perhaps the world's most beautiful reptiles. Imagine being able to change color depending on your surroundings. They change color to make themselves indistinguishable or to show off to potential mates. They are also a very diverse group of animals with over 170 different species types. Chameleons can change color because they have pigment cells in their skin called chromatophores that allow them to blend in with the environment, changing tone every time they want to hide from a predator or dress up for courtship rituals. As well as being one of the most beautiful animals, they are also in our list of 20+ animals that can change color. Number 7. Friesian Horse. From the Netherlands comes our next entrant, the Friesian Horse, Equus ferus caballus. This majestic creature boasts a monochromatic elegance that harks back to ancient times. Its powerful presence and ancestral lineage connect us to the wildest horse in history, the Tarpan. The Friesian Horse truly embodies mythical beauty. Number 6. Mandarin Fish. Our underwater adventure takes us to the vibrant world of coral reefs, where we find the dazzling Mandarin Fish, Syncyropus splendidus. With colors that resemble a living rainbow, these fish seem to emit their own internal light, making them a favorite subject for underwater photographers. Number 5. Common Bottlenose Dolphin. Prepare to be uplifted by the joyful presence of the common bottlenose dolphin, Tursiops truncatus. These ocean acrobats not only sport a striking appearance, but also symbolize freedom and joy. Their perpetual smiles and playful antics are bound to brighten anyone's day. Number 4. White Peacock. Our countdown takes a flight of fancy with the white peacock. This avian supermodel, with its snow-white plumage, resembles a living work of art. Strutting with confidence, these peacocks redefine beauty and elegance, showcasing their unique approach to courtship rituals. Number 3. Mute Swan. Grace and beauty unite in the mute swan, Cygnus olor. From their enchanting downy cygnet stage to their full-grown elegance, these swans capture our hearts. Elegance flows through every movement, making the mute swan a true emblem of beauty. Number 2. White Bengal Tiger. Prepare to be enchanted by the regal aura of the white Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris. These creatures of grandeur exude mystery and strength, with their stunning appearance steeped in mythologies from various cultures. The rarity of their white coat, caused by leucism, only adds to their allure. Number 1. Scarlet Macaw. The rainforests of South America are home to a living rainbow, the Scarlet Macaw, Aramacayo, with their vivid plumage spanning bright yellows, royal blues, and fiery oranges. These parrots redefine the concept of color. Their vibrant flights through the sky resemble a masterpiece painted by nature herself. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the top 10 most beautiful animals in the world, from transparent butterflies to colorful macaws. Nature's artistry knows no bounds. But remember, beauty comes in many forms, and every creature has its unique charm. If you think we missed your personal favorite, share your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating episodes of Nature's Wonders. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty that surrounds us.